Hi, everybody. Welcome to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is April 27th. We've got a huge list of things to go over of what's happening today in the industry. But first, a big shout out to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. And if you're not already, making sure that you follow me along with LATOKEN on Twitter as well. We've got more to come later today, but let's jump right into it because it is a lot. All right. Ready? Here we go. U.S. Bank. Big breaking news this morning. A shout out to the team at Blockworks that actually caught my attention on this news earlier today as well. So U.S. Bank has now entered the digital currency ring. Here we go. Following its recent strategic investment in crypto infrastructure company Securrency, which we talked about yesterday, who just announced their recent fundraise. U.S. Bank, also a part of U.S. Bank Corp. And the fifth largest bank in the United States, announced that it will begin offering new cryptocurrency custody products in partnership with an unnamed sub-custodian. We're still looking for details on that. Again, this is breaking news as of this morning, but in summary, U.S. Bank, the fifth largest bank in the United States, is now going to be offering crypto custody products to its customers. It also announced today that it has been selected to administer NYDIG's Bitcoin ETF, should it be approved as well. And the two have a long-standing relationship in the industry. So big breaking news. We've got more of that. Here we go. So next up, after offering tokenized tradable stocks, which we talked about earlier yesterday, which included expanding from Tesla and Coinbase to Microsoft, MicroStrategies, and Apple, Binance today has announced to enter the non-fungible token or NFT industry by introducing its own NFT platform and marketplace. We knew this was only a matter of time with the amount of new recent product announcements coming from the company. Nonetheless, it's finally here. The upcoming launch of Binance NFT is expected to start operating in June. Now, those additional stocks I just mentioned are supposed to begin at the end of this month of April. So a huge rollout in the next couple months from the cryptocurrency exchange as well. And there will be two different trading venues. The company mentioned a trading market that allows everyday users to create NFTs, charging a very small processing fee, and then premium events, which are more targeted to exclusive collaborations and collections with artists as well. Probably similar to Nifty Gateways and what they just did with Eminem and others as well. So we'll stay tuned on that. Speaking of NFTs, the Golden State Warriors of San Francisco and the Bay Area have announced today that they are going to be auctioning off a series of non-fungible tokens. You guessed it, NFTs. The sale is the first time a U.S. professional sports team has launched NFTs. Now, we've seen a ton of activity with the NBA and NBA Top Shot built on Flow and by Dapper Labs. Topps has also transitioned their entire baseball series of physical cards into digital cards, but they are powered by Wax. This time, NBA and the Golden State Warriors said we're going to do it on our own. So very excited to see where this goes. We don't have too many details yet, but the drop is supposed to happen on May 1st. So for NFT collectors out there, there you go. Continuing the NFT story, avatar company Genies is said to be launching an app to bring customizable avatars to the masses and introducing a store for celebrities to drop exclusive limited merchandise for said avatars. This is the entire direct-to-avatar or DTA business model we've been talking about on VCTV. And the CEO is now eyeing NFTs as the company's next step. Last up in the NFT segment here, Outlier Ventures. A big shout out to them and their entire team, as yesterday they released a new investment document. Investors, pay attention, which is focused on the emerging NFT market. It's called the NFT SPA. The NFT SPA, or short for the NFT Simple Pre-Purchase Agreement. This is similar to a SAFT or a SAFT, which we've seen as well. This document is an agreement between a project and one or more buyers, where the buyers pre-purchase limited edition NFTs from the project, which we could refer to limited edition NFTs, for instance, and we're excited to see where this goes. Again, the team just released this yesterday, a part of their research arm. I highly recommend diving into this, as it looks like it could be a very new instrument for NFT projects and NFT companies to fundraise for the near future as well. Next up, Gemini. Going back into the crypto world, Gemini has partnered today with MasterCard and WeBank to offer a first-of-a-kind cryptocurrency rewards credit card. Cardholders will be able to earn up to 3% cash back, or excuse me, not cash back, but 3% back on qualified purchases in Bitcoin or any of the more than 30 cryptocurrencies available on Gemini. Crypto rewards will automatically be deposited into the cardholder's Gemini account. There'll be no annual fee, so you'll receive the full value of your rewards. And they already have partnerships with a number of merchants, including DoorDash, HelloFresh, Lyft, ShopRunner, and many others as well. Helium, the decentralized blockchain-powered network that allows users to earn cryptocurrency by running their own nodes, has announced an alliance with the open source connectivity hardware maker FreedomFi to launch Helium 5G. This will be a new service that offers a different spectrum than the original LongFi network designed for the Internet of Things, or IoT hardware. As a result, now Helium 5G network, as it begins to roll out to users, will be able to support calls from 5G smartphones and other capable devices. What this means, in short, we went from having long-ranged IoT in many homes around the world to now having that connectivity expand to 5G, where we can now make phone calls, and you now see this expansive edge network being built with 5G capability in as well. So more on that, and stay tuned with their rollout as well. Next up, blockchain infrastructure provider Figment has launched a $16 million investment fund called Figment Capital to support decentralized protocols and applications, including Cosmos, Terra, and LivePeer. This new venture arm will be an investment arm of the Figment stack, which they also do a ton around staking and others as well. And the capital will be used to supercharge, again, blockchain protocols and early stage projects as well. Now, we also heard about a similar effort around R3 and Corda last week. So anyone out there building, you've got plenty of options when it comes to fundraising as well. Now, Cardano, developers have just unveiled a deal with the Ethiopian government, which would see the world's biggest blockchain deployment, according to the company. This would actually roll out a nation identity system based on the blockchain, rolled out through the entire country as well. So the decentralized identity solution, Alta Prisma, initially will be deployed into the country schools, and then greater throughout the rest of the country as well. So we'll continue to stay focused on that and see where it goes. And a big congratulations to cryptocurrency wallet provider Zengo and Anoma Networks as well on their recent fundraising announcements today. Now, that's your rundown for, again, April 27th. A lot, again, I said to be included in today. I expect more to follow. So make sure you're following me on Twitter. Also check out LATOKEN, LATOKEN.com. And a big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Make sure you check us out on VCTV, as we're going to break all this down with investors from around the world. And again, make sure you're following on Twitter. We'll be back here tomorrow with a ton more news around the industry. Also, if you want to learn more about NFTs and what's happening around this entire craze, follow me on Twitter, as I'm going to be hosting a big event later this week, and we'd be more than happy to have you a part of that as well. With that being said, I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott, Blockchain and Crypto Today. That's your rundown for April 27th. Again, follow me on Twitter and check us out at LATOKEN.com. Take care, everybody.